We're back with 4 awesome discoveries you probably didn't hear about this week.
These experiments may solve the mystery of how pyroclastic flows, volcanic ash and rock, travel so far so fast. Real pyroclastic flows can travel hundreds of miles over rough terrain, cheating friction. The team heated tons of volcanic material to hundreds of degrees Fahrenheit and let her rip. Together with computer simulations, the experiments suggest volcanic particles in the top part of the flow glide on an air-rich base layer, much like an air hockey table. Findings valuable for forecasting and modeling.
A computer science team has produced a smart fabric sensing system to monitor joint motion. It can help athletes improve performance and patience in physical therapy. The low-cost, off-the-shelf combination of fabrics senses skin deformation and pressure during joint motion. The feedback data is in a detachable microcontroller that may fit inside a button in the future. The prototype tested well for accuracy, and it's even washable. Next steps include further refinements in prototypes for the knees and shoulders.
Researchers designed a new way to detect Zika and other viral infections that beat standard methods for finding antibodies in the blood. Antibodies develop to fight off infections, so their presence indicates illness. Using gold nanowires, researchers developed a sensor that's so sensitive it can detect as few as 10 antibody molecules within 20 minutes, catching the virus earlier by a week or more. The team hopes to develop an inexpensive handheld system for clinics and areas where resources are limited.
This new research robot is built for the age of artificial intelligence. Nicknamed Blue, it uses recent advances in AI and deep reinforcement learning, but costs less than $5,000 to build. It has a wide range of motion for tricky maneuvers in unstructured environments, but is highly sensitive to outside forces, so it's safer for the lab. The design team is looking into mass production and hopes Blue's affordability will accelerate research on robots for the home.
And there you go. See you next time with 4 more awesome discoveries with funding from NSF.